All right, so the next question is, why do I need to attend church? I don't understand. Why do I need to attend church when I have 4 different Bible translations at home and can read and study the word on my own? After all, didn't Jesus say the Sabbath was made for man and not man for the Sabbath? Why do I have to go to church? Why? Why do I have to give you another answer, but I want to focus on the question. Why do I have to go to church? Hi. Let me tell you the way I want to answer you. Please don't go to church. Stay at home. Yeah? Stay at home. It's very important. Study your 4 Bible versions very well. Your 4 Bible translation. In fact, add 2 more. In fact, add 1 more to make it 7. Perfection. Have 7 Bible translations at home. Study them very well. Get the Greek Septuagint. Get the concordance. Get Hebrew version of the Bible. Stay at home and study. Please, it's very important. Let me tell you the results. One day, that Bible will tell you to go to church. You will study and see the reason why you should go to church. So just stay at home. Please don't go to church. Don't go, please. If I catch you in church, I will beat you. If I cannot beat you, I'll arrest you. Please don't go to church. Stay at home. Study your 4 translations or 4 translations. I've told you add 3 more to make it 7. Then get the concordance and get the Bible, the Greek Septuagint. Get it. Get the Hebrew version of the Bible. Study at home. The same way you just discover now that you said Jesus said the Sabbath is made for man, not man for the Sabbath. That's how you will discover in the Bible that you should go to church. You will discover. There's one scripture that people always quote when they say why you should go to church. I will not quote that scripture. No, me, I'm not like that. I will not quote that scripture. I will not quote the scripture. Now somebody is saying, but what of us that want to know why we should go to church? Don't have why. Don't go to church. Sit at home. You will get. Say you have not been going to church. Have you died? Say you have not died now. Sit at home. Don't go to church. Please. Don't go to church. Sit at home. Sit at home. Please. So we think we'll beg you, Abi. We will not beg you. Sit at home. Don't go to church. Please, I beg of you. Sit at home. Enjoy your life. You will face the person that gave you life. That life that you are using now. When you face the person that gave you life, you understand. Stay at home. Stay at home. Don't go to church. Don't even watch live streaming. Just stay at home and enjoy yourself. Don't worry. Your eye will clear. Nobody could tell you. Yeah, but when the food belly and I they get jam. Don't worry. Stay at home. When time comes, you will know that there's a difference between 6 and half a dozen. Stay for home. Don't worry.